Your differences between polyjacking and mudjacking are the mudjacking is a combination of soil, grout, and sand. They mix that to a certain consistency and then start pumping it under either driveways, slabs, garage floors, etc. Polyjacking is a one-to-one component. It is injected into the ground, and as it's injected, the one-to-one components mix together. It shoots into the ground, and then the chemical reaction happens. The poly starts to expand, and as that expands, it compacts the soil underneath it, and then starts the lifting process of the concrete that we are trying to recover. Your polyjacking is a better choice in general due to the chemical and how light it is compared to your mudjacking itself. If you have small hairline cracks or minor settlement in whatever you're trying to recover, polyjacking is just an all-around better product to use for longevity of what you're trying to create. Your polyjacking doesn't do anything for the soil problems. That is the general maintenance of the house. Maintain the grading, maintain the gutters. You want to make sure you have everything sloped away from wherever you're having the problem. When you do the polyjacking, what it does is it fills the void that the water has caused. And once you get that up and you keep the soil graded away from there, then it extends the longevity of the poly or mudjacking that is used to recover. Your price difference isn't going to be astronomical. It's going to be a few $100s, because when you do mudjacking or polyjacking, it goes off poundage used. So the further the driveway or the garage floor, the further it's down, the more product you have to use. The more product you use, the more money it costs. So at that point, you have to go, do I want to spend $7,000 to lift my garage floor and still have all the cracks, or do I want to spend $8,000 and get a brand new garage floor? When we go out, we give those options, because if it's down a couple inches, absolutely use polyjacking. It'll cost you $1,500 to give you another 10 years out of your garage floor versus $8,700 to replace it. A lot of people, when we go in and we do a repair, they think it fixes the cracks and fixes the fractured concrete, and it doesn't fix it, it repairs it. So you still have the cracks, but we took care of the reason why they were brought up, why they appeared. Just like anything, your price range fluctuates with the repair you're trying to fix. The polyjacking cost can go up depending on how much we have to recover, how far the driveway, garage, anything that is settled is down, how big the void is underneath it before we start the process, and how heavy it is when we start to recover. If you have a 8 to 10 inch slab, it's going to take more material to gain that pressure weight to lift versus it is a 4-inch sidewalk. With polyjacking, we offer a 5-year warranty with all of it, and it's included in the price as long as the maintenance is done around the area that we work. It usually goes off of square footage. If you have a 4x4 area that just needs void fill, you have a minimum of $1,000 just to fill that void, because we have to get the trucks and everything in that aspect. If that 4x4 area is dropped 4 inches, it's going to be around $1,700, because we have to lift it 4 inches. We have to take the concrete saw out to saw cut it away from whatever area we're trying to recover, and then we have to seal the cracks around it so the water doesn't get under there and cause the issue to come back.